Speak to journalists?
No.
Sir?
No.
Why not? Are you scared? No, what I'm saying is, are you scared of talking to Nigerians while you are here? Don't you have anything to say to Nigerians? Can't you? You don't have anything to say to Nigerians while you are here as religious, as Christians?
Nothing.
Sir, you two don't have anything to say, sir. From the media, you can't talk to media.
Which media?
From the Whistler newspaper.
That's wrong one.
That's can you tell Nigerians why you are here as Christian leaders?
Christian leaders.
Yes.
We have given it before.
Sir?
We have said it before.
That what happened, sir?
We believe in peace and unity of Nigeria.
Okay. And you believe in Muslim ticket, sir?
Do you believe in that?
I'm a journalist. I'm asking you a question. I deserve an answer.
I'm also a journalist and I'm a Nigerian.
Okay, so by being here, you endorse the Muslim ticket, sir?
Sir.
No, I'm asking you a question so that
Muslim.
You break my phone.
Come, let me answer you. Muslim ticket is not a crime.
Okay. That's good. Which church are you from, sir?
We projected Reverend Pam Yakubu.
Okay.
We projected Reverend Pam Yakubu.
Okay, from the Northern Christian, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
It's our own choice.
Okay.
But the party decide what they want.
Okay.
So let press and every media report something that can unite Nigeria.
Okay.
Not bring disunity.
Okay.
Please.
All right.
We need all the press, journalists, blogger, free blogger.
Okay.
To, for God's sake, report. Tinubu.
Yes.
It's one person that committed to it.
All right. Thank you very much. But what's your name, sir? And the church? Yes. It will help. What's the name and church, sir?
So my name is
Prince.
I'm the President Muslim Christian Law Foundation.
Okay. In Plateau State or sir?
In Abuja.
Abuja. Thank you, sir.
See, listen, let me tell you.
Okay, sir.
This country,
yes, sir.
We don't need to bring war.
All right.
If war break, it will consume everybody.
All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
God can bring a pagan.
All right.
God can bring a pastor.
All right.
God can use anybody to fix Nigeria.
Okay.
God can bring any tribe.
Okay.
God can bring any religion to fix Nigeria.
Okay.
It's not about religion. It's not about Muslim. It's not about Christian.
Yes.
We should not be a prey to these religious leaders.
Thank you very much.
They have spoiled us for too long.
Yes, sir.
How many pastors the religious leaders help in this country?
Okay.
Religious leader.
Yes,
How many times did they organize a peace summit, organize a reconciliation summit?
Yeah.
We should stop preaching hatred.
Okay.
We should preach peace. If Nigeria scatter, everybody will suffer it.
Thank you.